Hello. Batman has taken over Foundations today. How many words can you think of that rhyme with bat? Go. Bat, cat, hat, sat, pat, mat, chat. Did you think of any others? How about some nonsense words? Let's do some silly ones. Zat, jat, dat. Awesome. Okay, next, let's do our warm up. Let's start with this card. Remember what we learned yesterday? Sometimes S, especially when it's at the end of a word as a suffix S, what does it say? It sometimes says Z. So we have this new card. S, bugs, Z. Try it. Great job. Let's do our warm up. B, B, D, D, E, ed, E, I, ich, I, J, J, N, N, O, octopus, ah. U, up, SH, sh, ALL, all. S, bugs, Z. AM, ham, am. AN, fan, an. And the last part of our warm-up today is, can you beat Batman in saying the trick words? Here we go. Or, for. We, he, she, be, me. And. As, has. The. Of. They. I. You, your. Said. Was. One, like the number. Have. From. Do, does. And look, we have it again. Do, does. All right. Batman's got to go save somebody. I heard someone looking for him. I think Robin's up to no good again. So it's me. I'm back. You have Mrs. Holbrook, and of course, you still have Baby Echo, too. Okay. So we are going to start by playing a little game. Okay, you ready for the game rules? Here we go. I'm going to put up a word, and you have to decide if it has a suffix or no suffix. Okay, so when I hold it up, you'll look at it and you'll say suffix or no suffix. If it has a suffix, you are going to have to write it down on your whiteboard and mark it. Are you ready? So why don't you go get your whiteboard just in case it has a suffix and your marker. And here we go. Suffix or no suffix? No suffix. What does the word say? Ran. Let's tap it. An. Okay, here's the next one. Suffix or no suffix? Quick. How many taps would that be? 3. Quick. Suffix or no suffix? It's got a suffix, yeah. So that means you need to copy it down on your whiteboard and practice marking it. Okay, so underline the base word, everybody. What does the base word say? Rock. So then what's encircle the suffix? What is the suffix? What's the whole word? Rocks. Tell me a sentence with the word rocks. My teacher rocks. Or, look at all those rocks on the ground. Rocks. Underline the base word, circle the suffix. Okay, erase your whiteboard, and we have a few more words to play in this game. Here we go. Suffix or no suffix? No suffix. What's the word? Ham. Suffix or no suffix? Yeah, there's a suffix S. There it is. So copy it down. Underline the base word. Circle the suffix. And read it to me. What's the base word? All. Mall. Malls. Remember, we always read the base word first and then the suffix. Malls. Mall. Malls. Let's erase. And we have a few more words in our game. Suffix or no suffix? No suffix. What's the word? Ball. Ball. Very nice. Okay. So now we are going to practice a little more how to spell these words that have suffix endings. Okay, there's a special way to do it. So you can put your whiteboard aside. We will come back to that later. And you can take out your board like this. Okay. So let's see. Let's warm up with echo find letters. So repeat after me when I say a sound, and then you just need to point to any letters that make that sound and tell me their names. So what says B? Say it out loud. What says B? B. Point to it and say it out loud to me. What says eh? E. What says s? F. What says z? S and Z. Make sure you point to both because Z can say Z and S can say Z, like in bugs. Remember this card? Yep. Okay, what says K? Should be pointing to three things. You might need to use both hands. What letters? C, K, and digraph, CK. One more. What says an? A-N. Awesome job finding all those sounds that the letters that the sounds make. Okay, so now we need to work on making some words. Let's make the word bugs. Now, watch me make it. I would say, what's the base word? Bug. Remember, the base word is usually singular, just one, and when it has the S at the end, it's often plural, more than one. So I would say b-u-g, bug. And then to make it say bugs, I would add my suffix S. And our suffixes are a different kind of yellow, like a highlighter yellow. So what's the base word? Bug. Good. Let's do another one. I want to show you. Okay, look at this one. What's the base word? Cab. Whole word, cabs. Let's practice a few more without looking at any letters. So I will say a word, and I want you to be able to just tell me the base word, okay? What is the base word in this one? Necks. Just one neck. Bells. Bell. What is the base word in kids? Kid. Good. What is the base word in mops? Mop. What is the base word in pens? Pen. How are you doing with this? If it's easy, we're ready to start building them. If it's still hard, then you need to really think about being able to take that S off and find just the base word, okay? Let's try to build some now. So if I say the word tins, you should repeat after me, tins, and then I'll say, what's the base word? And what would you say? Tin. So then we need to tap out tin. Fingers up, elbows up. T, I, N. And let's spell it. T, I, N. It's really good to spell it before we do it so that we have to picture those letters in our heads. and then we can go ahead and build it. So build tin on the bottom of your Velcro board. Are we done? No, now we have to go back and think, the original word wasn't tin, it was tins. So we need to add tins. Sounds like a Z. We need to add our suffix S, more than one tin, tins. Okay, and then we spell it away. So put your letters back in the right spot. T-I-N. Okay, let's try another one. Repeat after me. Backs. Those turtles' backs were all showing. What's the base word? Back. Tap it. B-A-K. Build it. Spell it and build it. And when you have the base word, then you need to add the suffix. Make it say backs. More than one back. Backs. Okay, and then let's spell it away. B-A-C-K. Did you guys remember to end in CK? I hope so, because it was the end of a word, right after the vowel. Okay, try this one. Bills. What's the base word? Bill. Let's tap it. B-I-O. Spell it. B-I-L. Wait a second. When it ends in L, what is that going to mean? Good for you. A bonus letter. We'll double it. Go ahead. Build the word bill. And then make it say bills. Don't forget that bonus L. And that suffix S. Bills. Okay. Spell it away. B-I-L, bonus L, suffix S. You should be saying what the letters are while you put them away. Let's do one more on here. Repeat after me. Ships. Base word, ship. Tap it. Sh-ip. Spell it. Build it. Add the suffix ending and check it to mine. Sh-ip. Ships. And let's spell it away when you're done. S-H-I-P-S. Suffix S. Okay, great job. You can put your Velcro board away. And we're going to end with just a little writing back on your whiteboard. Remember, I told you not to put it totally away? Good. Okay, let's start by writing 2 trick words. On this first line, we're going to do 2 trick words. The first one is does. Does your dog like to go for walks? Does. And the second one is said. The weatherman said it would be rainy today. Does and said. And remember, you can check them in your notebook if you're stuck. And then when you're ready, you can check them with mine. Does, said. And look, they both have D's, and notice the drum comes first. We always start our D's on the plain line down, then we go up to the skyline. All right, let's come to this middle line, and let's try this word. Repeat after me. Packs. She packs for her trip. What's the base word? Pack. Tap it out. P-A-C. Spell it, write it. Make it say packs and then mark it. Underline the base word, circle the suffix. And make sure you used CK for pack. And let's end with a sentence. Repeat after me. The shells are red. The shells are red. Pause here until you're done. Okay, my friends, we are almost out of time. So let's read all of our things that we did today. Does, read it with me, said, pack, packs, the shells are red. Scoop everything and then erase it all